I'm going to show you how easy it is to create some dramatic effects in just 3 simple steps each. And nope, we are not doing the usual multiply layer for a dark mode trick. Step 1. Adjust the top sliders to around -51, the bottom one to about +51. Step 2. Create a new layer and set the blending mode to color. Now, grab your paint bucket tool and pick a nice blue, not too saturated and not too bright, and fill the layer. Then lower the opacity until it just feels white, and finally desaturate the whole image just a bit. It was way too much for me at first. That's the last step for this one. And now we're gonna put fire. I mean, with Photoshop. We know the drill for this one. We start with a normal base layer using white and yellows, then add a new layer above it set to color dodge using a similar yellow on this layer to create a glowing effect. We'll call that part 1. But here's where we level up, the second part. Create a new layer, set the blend mode to color for the mode. Another layer on vivid light, that's where we got the yellow fire. And one more on overlay mode to bring in some glowing reds. You can always add more, of course, and with this base, you can't go wrong.